Meaning of Great War.
Great War.
Great War.
Great War.
Great War. The term Great War typically refers to World War I, a global conflict that lasted from 1914 to 1918. The war involved many of the world's major powers and was fought in multiple theaters, including Europe, Africa, and Asia. The causes of the war are complex, but it is generally considered to have been triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary. The result of the war was significant changes to the political and social landscape of Europe, including the rise of the Soviet Union and the breakup of the Austro-Hungarian Empire.